Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the book of Zephaniah, and if you've never heard of it, you're in for an intense journey. This small yet powerful book packs a lot into just 3 chapters. It's tucked away in the Old Testament and offers a dramatic perspective on judgment and hope.
In chapter 1, Zephaniah warns about a coming day of the Lord, a time of divine judgment. It's as if a storm is brewing and nothing will be spared. God plans to sweep away everything from the earth, cutting off humanity from the face of the land.
Verses like Zephaniah 1:2-3 give us the vivid imagery of this. I will completely sweep away everything from the face of the earth, declares the Lord. The message is clear. It's a wake-up call against idolatry and complacency. Moving to chapter 2, the tone shifts slightly, offering a chance for redemption. Zephaniah pleads with the nations to seek righteousness, humbleness, and perhaps avoid God's wrath. Verse 2-3 is pivotal. Seek the Lord, all you humble of the land. Seek righteousness, seek humility. Perhaps you will be sheltered on the day of the Lord's anger. It's an open invitation to change and find refuge. Finally, chapter 3 starts with a focus on Jerusalem's failings, but it doesn't end in despair. Despite the city's corruption and disobedience, God promises restoration. Zephaniah 3:17 is particularly uplifting. The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In his love, he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. It's a beautiful promise of hope and renewal.
So what does Zephaniah show us? It underscores the seriousness of straying from righteousness, but assures us of divine mercy if we seek and return to God.